Subject code 18CS2009. Database Systems Lab. Experiment number 4. Set operations. In this video, we are going to implement the set operators and solve the given questions. Now, I have already created these tables along with the rows. Now, before we go further, let us connect to the Oracle database. Now, we are connected. Come to the first question. Display all the cities of the companies Accenture and Tata. So, we need to display. So before that, we have a company table. Let's look into the table once. This is the company table, and we need to display the cities where Accenture and Tata are present, right? So we're going to use the union operator here. So we're going to combine the results of both the companies, cities of both companies. Select. We're going to select the cities from the table name. The first company happens to be Accenture, and we're going to combine the result with the Tata. Just a minute, we've got an error. We forgot to give the attribute name, that is company name. Accenture union with Tata. In the same column. Now we can see cities Bombay, Chennai and Nagpur are the cities where Accenture and Tata companies are present. Now come to the second question, that is to display the names of the city that is common to companies Accenture and Tata. So on the right hand side we can see the company table here. So the city common to both Accenture and Tata, that is Chennai, right? So we're going to solve this using the intersect operator that selects the common values between the two results. Select. We're going to select the city from the company table again. Where company name in Accenture and intersect so this is going to give the cities where both the Accenture and Tata companies are present, that is Chennai. So Chennai is a city where both Accenture and Tata are present, right? That's about the second question. Now come to the third question, find the cities where Accenture is located but not Tata. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all the cities from the company table, and we're going to delete some cities where the company name Tata is present, right? So we're going to use the minus operator there. So to write this query, we're going to write like this: select city from. We're going to select all the rows first. So this is going to be the first result. Now we're going to delete some of the rows from this set, that is select where city from company where name. This gives the series or where only Accenture is present. It deletes the cities where Tata is present, right? So that gives Nagpur. So Nagpur is the only city where Accenture is present but Tata is not present, right? So that's the third question. Coming to the fourth question, display the names of employees living in Nagpur and working with company Accenture. So there are two conditions here. The employee has to live in Nagpur city and he has to work in Accenture company. We have employee table here. We're going to make use of this, and also the employee company table, which specifies the company where the employee is working right now. So we're going to use the intersect operator here. We need the employee name, right? So select employee name from the table, employee table. We're going to use the intersect operator here that says the common values between the two sets. Now we're going to select the employee names from the employee company table, which we can see on the right hand side, where the company name is Accenture. So you can see it shows no rows selected. So what we have done, we have given the company name uh, misspelled, wrong spelled, right? We're going to try this again. You can see Anil is the person who lives in Nagpur and he works in the company Accenture. So that's about the fourth question. Now coming to fifth question, display the names of employees living in Nagpur but not working in company Accenture. Similar question, but right, similar question, but this time the person should not work in the Accenture company. So we're going to use the minus operator here, right? Select the employee name from the table, employee table, where city in Nagpur, right? This selects all the employees who reside in city Nagpur, and we're going to delete some values from those. That's it. Minus select employee name from the company table, that's employee company table, where customer name, company name is Accenture. So what we've selected all the employees who live in the city Nagpur. Now from that set we are deleting the employees who work in Accenture. So that gives Ajay. Ajay is a person who lives in Nagpur but he doesn't work in Accenture. That's about the fifth question. Now coming to the sixth question, list the names of the employees living in city Bombay and having salary greater than 1500. So we're going to make use of two tables here. The first condition is he has to live in city Bombay, and second condition is he has to earn more than 1500. So we're going to make use of these two tables now. By the way, we're going to use this intersect operator. Select employee name from table name. So it is employee, yes. Employee, where first condition he has to live in Bombay. Bombay. And we're going to use this intersect operator followed by the second condition. Select the employee name from the second table, that is employee company, and where now the salary is focused. Salary is greater than 1500. That's it. We can see Shankar and Sunil both live in Bombay. Right, Shankar and Sunil both live in Bombay and they earn more than 1500. So that is about our sixth question, I guess. Yes. Now coming to the seventh question, that is to display the names of the employees living in the city Chennai and working with the company CMC. The first condition is the employee should live in Chennai and he has to work with the company CMC. That is from the second. So we'll get that from the second table. So we're going to use the intersect operator here. We're going to write the query from the first table. Select ename from employee where city he resides is Chennai. Right, now we're going to use the intersect operator here. Same select. We're going to select the employee name from employee company table, that is the second table, where the company name is CMC. You can see the name is Jaya, that is the employee Jaya. She resides in Chennai and she works in CMC company. That is about the seventh question. Now coming to the eighth question, that is to display the names of the employees living in Nagpur, working in Accenture and having shift key. So there are three conditions. Same thing, we're going to use the intersect operator here as well. So select employee name from the first table, employee 1255, where city is mentioned, right? Where city in Nagpur. Now the intersect operator here. Now second condition, that is employee name. Uh, uh, Employee names who work in Accenture, right? Select employee name from employee company table, where city the company name is Accenture. So this is the second condition. This is the second condition. Now coming to the third condition, that is he has to work in shift A. So we also have a table called employee shift, which gives the shifts for the employees. Select employee name. Here also we're going to select the employee name from employee shift. Okay, 19CS1255, where the shift should be A, right? Shift A. You can see the Anil is an employee who works in shift A, and as well as he works in Accenture, and as well as he lives in Nagpur. So that is how we solve this query. Now coming to the ninth question, that is to display the names of the employees living in Nagpur, working in company Accenture, and not working in shift B. So the entire same query, but the third condition they changed a little bit, right? So we're going to make use of the previous commands. Intersect Accenture, intersect. Now this time the employee should not not working in shift B. So where shift is a symbol to represent the not shift not B. Right, now let's give enter. Now Anil, the same output he will get, that is Anil. He doesn't work in shift B, and he works in Accenture, and he lives in Nagpur. That is the ninth question. Come to the 10th question. Display names of the employees who are living in Nagpur or Bombay. So whenever we have this OR here, we make sure that we have to use this union operator that combines the results of both the what do you call both the results. So let's solve this. We're going to select the employee names, right? Employee name from the employee table, where city is Nagpur, union the same statement, city is Nagpur or Bombay. These are the employees who live either in city Nagpur or Bombay. That was the 10th question. Come to the 11th, that is to display the employee names using union and union all operator. So we have two tables that speak about the employee names, right? We're going to perform a union operation between these tables, and also we're going to perform the union operation between union all operation between those two tables. So we're going to focus on the employee name from employee file. Right, now first we'll see about the union. So it just merges the two results, whereas union all includes the duplicates. So union doesn't have the duplicate values. It filters out the duplicate values. It has only unique values. So when you come to union all, it just adds the two tables together. Right. Select employee name from the employee company table. This is a union operation where we don't have duplicate values. Now we're going to execute the same command using the union all operator, which includes the duplicate values as well. Now we can see here 16 rows are selected and here 9 rows are selected. So if any values are duplicate, that will be included in the union all operation. So that is about the 11th question. Now coming to the 12th question, we need to display the employee name whose joining date is 18 December 19 and whose working shift is E. So there are two conditions here. So we're going to use this intersect operator. So let us write the command query for that. Select, first we need to select the employee name from the menu table. Whose joining date is so where joining date, we have attribute called JDate. Like the date they have given there, right? 18 December and 98. 18 December and 98. And this is the first condition. The second condition is the working shift should be intersect. We're going to make use of the employee shift table. Employee name from employee shift, the position number, where shift in operator, and shift is E. Now yes, Kiran. So he has joined he's joined in date is 18 December 98, and his shift is E. So that is how we solve this 12th question. Come to the 13th one. Use in operator to display the names of the employees living in the same city. Right. So we need to display the names of the employees living in the same city where Sunil is residing. So first we'll see where Sunil is residing. Bombay, right? So we need to find the employees who are living in Bombay. That is Shankar. So let us write the command query for this. That is, we are going to select the employee name, right? Employee name from employee 255 where city is. Now we're going to find out the cities where Sunil actually resides. So we're going to make it of the subquery, and we have used the in operator here as mentioned in the question. Select city from employee table. So where company name, sorry, not company name, it is employee name is Sunil. This is the subquery. Now it selects all the employees who live in Bombay. It includes Sunil, right? So we don't need to have Sunil in our resultant answer. So we're going to delete Sunil from the output. To do that, select ename from employee side where employee name Sunil. Now that's it. Well, sorry, mistakenly gave the parenthesis over there. Now we can see that is Shankar. So this is the employee who lives in the city where Sunil resides, that is Bombay. So that is about the 13th question. Coming to the 14th question, that is to use in operator to display the employees living in the city Bombay and having their company located in Delhi. So actually, I think let's write one second the question. Actually, the city should be Delhi, and the company located in the city Bombay. So we don't have any company located in Delhi, right? So that's how we need to understand the question. Right, that is about the 14th question. Now to solve this, we're going to make use of the intersect operator. We're going to write the query, select employee name from employee table where city is Delhi. So the living city is Delhi. We have a candidate employee over there, but we don't have any company in Delhi. So we're going to make use of the intersect select employee name from the employee table where the company name is in we're going to write subquery here. So we're going to select all the companies from the company table, all the company names from the table where that are located in Bombay city. So here goes our subquery, that is select company name from the table company where city in Bombay. So the employee has to living in Bombay and employee has to live in city Delhi, and the company should be located in Bombay. So what we have done, we have selected the customer name, uh, the company name from the table where city in Bombay. So it takes out all the companies from the Bombay city, and it compares with this. Select employee name from the employee company table where the company name is the company is located in Bombay. So finally we will be filtering out the employee name by matching by combining the results of these two queries, the employees who live in Delhi and the employees who live in working company belongs to Bombay city. So when you give enter, it shows Vijay. So Vijay is the person who lives in Delhi. Yes, you can see who lives in Delhi, and he works in Bombay, right? Bombay city, and that's it. So that's how we'll solve this. Now coming to the 15th question, display the names of the employees having same city as Ajay, which we have already done in the 13th question, because the name has been changed here. So we'll try to solve this. So we're going to select all the employee names from the employee table where cities in. So we are going to use the in operator, and now we're going to use a subquery that selects all the cities that belongs to the Ajay from the same table. CS1 to 55, where the employee name is in the here it is Ajay. In the 13th question it was Anil. Right now, this is the first condition, and that we're going to use the intersect operator. Sorry, not intersect. We're going to delete Ajay from this set, because if you don't give this, then it selects the other person who resides in the place of in the city where Ajay resides, but Ajay also will be included in that. So if you want to delete, remove the Ajay, so we're going to uh, give this command to remove Ajay from the output. Select employee name from employee table where employee name is Ajay. So that's it. The output we can see, that is Anil. Now Anil is the person who resides in the same place as Ajay. So we can see Ajay is Nagpur and Anil is also Nagpur. Right. That's it. We have completed all the questions. I hope all the outputs are correct. Thanks for watching.